just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
What is up, Hot Wheels enthusiasts? It's your boy DCS back on another weekend video, and this time it's the short wheel series and I've got the Hot Wheels. So it's 10 on 10 in HW Exotics and this time's Hot Wheels, and the car is really special because this is a race car from Renault. Yes, you haven't heard of it, the Renault Sport RS1, a real race car from Renault. Actually, from its hatchback version it has evolved to the RS1, which actually looks really cool, guys. And also, I have to mention that this car isn't getting any road version of it, so sadly that's a very disappointing part about this sports car, or should I say race car. Anyways, guys, this car is made to compete in the Renault Sport Trophy Cup and also some of those GT3 group races. But the special thing about this car is its engine, guys. It shares the same engine from the GTR Nismo. Yes, but it does not sound like that. When I checked off some of the videos, it did not sound much like the GTR, but still it actually is super cool, guys. I love the design. It looked way futuristic when I first saw it, and I really didn't expect it to be a Renault. Well, here it is. Anyways, first let's go for the unboxing, then let's check out its specs. And also, don't skip this part because I'm gonna put a little bit of my info. This is Daman.s, and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you guys are new, and do check out my Instagram page because I'll be putting this car's images in more detail and some motivational quotes to thrill you. Alright, guys, let's head on to the unboxing first right now. And just a little heads up on the screen, guys, if you guys did not check out the intro part, it'll be popping up on the screen right here. So now on to the unboxing. Here it is, the Renault Sport RS1 out of the box. Okay, first of all, the details part is kind of unsatisfactory because there's no headlamp details. Where's the headlamps? Okay, you can't see that. Even the logo is just like blurred out. Actually, that should have been more detailed, but still, it's not there. Instead, you got these decals on the hood, which I really didn't want that. Well, yeah, on the sides you can see you have the number 5 right there, even on the hood. Well, the interior is pretty bright. You have the yellow color bright interior, which is agreeable, pretty nice. And the wheels are also nice, pretty smooth too. You have a large spoiler right here with Renault decals, and it's also like carved out kind of like decal, which is so nice. I really like that part. But still, in the rear, again, you miss many of the details, like no tail lamps. Okay, I agree it's a race car, but still, at least some of those decals should be there. You at least have an exhaust which is not protruding out so much, but still, it's just there. And the interior, I don't think you guys can see much because it's mostly covered, but I guess I can show you a little bit. Yeah, that's how the interior looks. Alright, you have some of the scoops and fenders, which is with a little bit of grills. Well, that's about it in this car. And at the bottom, if you see, you have the Renault Sport RS, which with some code and stuff written on it. Well, yeah, that's about it on this car's detailing part, guys. Well, there's nothing much to look at but just the design. Yeah, now let's just move on to its specs because that's more interesting. Let's talk specs of this crazy race car Renault RS Sport, guys. First, let's start off with its top speed. So the top speed, as I said, it is pretty impressive. 186 miles per hour plus. Yes, guys, it's 186 miles per hour plus, which is above 300 kilometers per hour. That's really amazing, and as expected from the GTR's engine. Anyways, the acceleration time of this car is 2.9 seconds, which is pretty similar to the numbers of the Nismo, and the horsepower is 550 horsepower, slightly up and down. Well, going for the engine, as I told you, it's a 3.8 liter twin turbocharged 24 valve V6 from the GTR Nismo, and it's slightly tuned. Well, going for the transmission, guys, the transmission of this car is actually a 7-speed sequential with a limited slip diff, guys. Yes, a sequential 7-speed, which is pretty nice and sweet for a race car. And talking about its body style, of course, you guys know it. It's a 2-door mid-engine race car. Of course, a mid-engine Renault. Where do you get to see that, Ram? Anyways, that's pretty much the end of the info. Well, I just forgot one thing. This car is a rear wheel drive, guys. So yeah, there ends the specs. Now let's talk about its ratings. In the ratings part, I was kind of uncomfortable to give the score like this, but it did an 8 out of 10 according to me because of its lack of details. Yes, they should have had it a bit more details to it because it would look much more better, but this car is really lacking the details part, so I give it an 8 out of 10 for this Renault Sport RS1. Don't forget to comment your thoughts down below in the comment box. I'll be checking them out, and also don't worry, I'll be replying anytime, guys. Alright then, if you guys wanted to check out more of my videos, the playlist is available, so check them out in my channel page, guys. And also don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye, DCS out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.